In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to claim your official TikTok artist profile with Distrokid. If your music is already going out through Distrokid, you can connect it to an official artist presence on TikTok and unlock the tools TikTok provides to musicians. We'll walk through releasing to TikTok and Distrokid, setting up your TikTok profile so it's ready, submitting the claim to TikTok, and what to expect after you apply. First, release your music to TikTok and Distrokid. When you upload a single or album, make sure TikTok is selected in the list of stores and platforms before you submit. Double check your artist name, track titles, collaborators, and cover art because TikTok will mirror that metadata. Choose a realistic release date and give a little buffer. It can take some time for TikTok to ingest new sounds. After the release goes live, your tracks will appear in TikTok's sound library tied to your artist's name. A helpful tip is to verify that a short, catchy section of your song is present, since that's what fans will clip in their videos. Next, prepare the TikTok account you want to claim as your artist profile. Use the handle and display name that represent your artist brand exactly as it appears on Spotify and Apple Music. Add a clear profile photo and a concise bio, and post a few music-related videos so the account looks active and authentic. Consistency across platforms makes it easier for TikTok to confirm you are the artist, and it builds trust with new listeners who discover you through your sounds. Now claim your TikTok artist account. This part is managed by TikTok directly, not inside Distrokid. Go to TikTok's artist account support and submit the application. Have ready your TikTok username, links to your pages on Spotify or Apple Music, proof that you control the artist identity, and evidence that your music is distributed, such as your Distrokid release details. Fill everything out accurately and keep names and links matching exactly. You never need to share passwords, just official links and documentation that confirm your ownership. Finally, wait for approval. Review times vary, but you'll receive a confirmation once it's granted. When approved, your profile can display an artist label, a dedicated music tab, a featured song section that highlights your releases, and access to artist tools and analytics that help with promotion and insights. If you hear back with questions or a denial, correct any mismatches, strengthen your profile, and reapply. That's the process from start to finish. Get your release live on TikTok via Distrokid, polish your TikTok profile, submit your claim, and watch for approval.